I have officially spent my first day in my own apartment here in Bangkok. I forgot that the cleaner was coming today. So I want to give you guys a quick tour of the amenities that I have in my building. I bring my laptop with me because I got something special for you guys. That way I can actually go downstairs and actually get some work done in the co-working space. I haven't charged my camera because I forgot again to charge the camera. So I guess this is going to be like a quick little vlog. Let's do this. These actually don't fit me. They are so baggy. I need to get a new pair. I've lost weight. I haven't been in the gym in 5-6 days. It hasn't been a week yet. I also haven't unpacked, so this is what we're going to be working on later today. Let's go, let's start today. I really want to show you like what my favorite part of the building is, and that is the view. At night time, this looks so beautiful. That view alone motivates me every morning. It's been one day. It's been one day, girl, but it motivates me because I'm not a city girl, but for the next year, it looks like I'll be a city girl. Whilst I'm here in the city, I really want to push myself out of my comfort zone. Like, I'm really trying to push hard. If I cry, I cry. I'm actually coming for everything. I'm starting at zero. Again, I don't know how it is that I'm doing it, but I'm doing it. And I'm doing it because I have God on my side. My frequency right now is so high. My frequency is so high. So it's only right that I attract the highest. In here is the co-kitchen and co-family area, so I can book this like in advance. It's free for me to use, bring my family here. It's basically just a huge kitchen. This is cute, a whole kitchen, but I was trying to aim to get into the co-working space, but I don't know how to get there. I forgot. I have a whole basketball court here that I most likely will never use, but it's the thought that counts, I guess. There's only one basketball and it needs tightening. A whole basketball court in my facilities. Love that for me. I don't play basketball, but I might actually be a baller. With where I'm going, I'm about to be a baller. And then we have all of this. Damn, it's so high. On the road back to find the co-working space. I know that it's near here. So that was the swimming pool, the basketball court, the co-kitchen and family area. So now it's time to find the co-working space. I actually don't know where it is. I think it's by the gym. Okay, I did not know that before, but we have a whole podcast station. I have a podcast station here. Should I start a podcast? I remember one of my family members telling me I should start a podcast. Should I start a podcast? That's crazy. When I was on my tour, they didn't tell me that there's a whole room for a podcast station. Is this my sign to start a podcast? There's a podcast station here. That's blown my mind. Me with a podcast, I wouldn't even know what to say. I'm not a serious person. I just just realised that as I am walking around, I think I literally just went round in circles, and I'm back at the co-working space. So as I'm talking now, they can most likely hear me. So now I need to shut them up. Your girl is coming back here this evening to do a workout. Hi! I'm okay. Every building has AC, so I was there for so long that my camera lens and my glasses are super blurry. But the co-working space is kind of full but not full at the same time, so I'm gonna go into the family unit to get some work done. Hello, that was my friend Sharika, my new friend that I've made. Sharika, she is an author and she's retired. She's 30 and retired. I was like, God, by the time I'm your age I need to retire. So now I feel like I'm manifesting retirement at 30. Let's do this. My frequency is so high. I got this. Somebody's already in there. I just want to be in the building by myself. So it looks like I'm going to go back upstairs and work. It's not that deep. Go back upstairs, work, go from there, see what the cleaner's up to. Another thing about my apartment that I really like is that it's Face ID to get in. I would like to hope that I shot this video well enough for you guys. If I didn't, I guess I'll just do it again, but I got to get some work done, so see you in the next video.